Another thing to keep in mind when you're moving in a bachata is that you want to keep your hands around waist level or slightly above, just around your waist. You don't want your hands to be down to the side, or you don't want them to be up super high like you're boxing or something. You want it to be here around waist level, so that way when you're moving 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, it's kind of leveled with your waist and it looks a lot more natural when you're moving. So the next thing we're gonna focus on is the two-step. So usually you'll do a two-step like at the beginning of a song when it's just starting up, or at a slower moment, or even if you're just trying to, if you mess up on the rhythm and you're trying to get back on count. So the two-step is just tapping out on your left, and then coming in on your right, and then tapping out on your right, and then coming in on your left. So it's gonna be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's just a quick weight shift. It's a side, tap, side, tap, side, tap, side, tap.